guys, Jordan here from Accommodation for Students. Today we're looking at Friargate Court.
Hello, Friargate, how can I help you?
Nestled in the heart of Preston, Friargate has so much to offer. In addition to 24/7 concierge and security, Friargate offers a large reception space with plenty of seats and natural light. Studying can be done all year round. Rent is inclusive of all bills, Wi-Fi and TV licenses for the living space. All living areas are fully furnished with high-spec appliances such as kettle, toaster, oven and dishwasher. Kitchen and bedding packs are provided for all 42 to 52 week contracts. Free bike storage is available. Bins are emptied by housekeeping staff on a regular basis. However, full cleans are available at an additional cost. Bedrooms are well lit and comfortable, featuring an inbuilt desk, plenty of storage space, and a comfortable double bed. Your bathroom will come with the latest utilities. The shower, sink, and toilets are all high-spec, modern units. The laundry room is available to all students 24/7. All you need to do is put credits on the laundry app, and then off you go. The local town of Preston is right on the doorstep of Friargate. With local shops, pubs, barbers and a fitness centre, you'll be well positioned near all the amenities you might need. To find out more, check out the renting options available online at www.friargatepreston.com.